Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack a ton of nutrients into a single delicious drink. They can be a great addition to your daily routine, providing a quick, easy, and convenient source of energy. Here are 4 delectable smoothie recipes that not only taste great, but also give you the boost you need to power through your day. Let's start with our first recipe, the Tropical Sunrise Smoothie. For this delightful concoction, you'll need 1 cup of frozen mango chunks, half a cup of frozen pineapple chunks, 1 banana, half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1 cup of coconut water, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and optionally, 1 tablespoon of honey. First, add the frozen mango and pineapple chunks to the blender. Next, peel and add the banana. Spoon in the Greek yogurt. Pour in the coconut water. Add the chia seeds. If you like your smoothie a bit sweeter, feel free to add the honey. Blend on high until smooth and creamy. Pour it into a glass and enjoy. This smoothie is a tropical delight that brings a taste of the islands to your kitchen. Mangoes and pineapples are rich in vitamins A and C, essential for immune function and skin health. The banana provides a good dose of potassium, helping to maintain proper muscle function and hydration. Greek yogurt adds a creamy texture while supplying protein and probiotics for digestive health. Coconut water is hydrating and rich in electrolytes, perfect for replenishing your energy levels. Chia seeds add a dose of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, making this smoothie a nutritional powerhouse. Moving on to our next recipe, the Green Powerhouse Smoothie. You'll need 1 cup of spinach, half an avocado, 1 green apple, cored and chopped, half a cucumber, peeled and chopped, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, 1 teaspoon of spirulina powder, which is optional, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Start by placing the spinach in the blender. Scoop in the avocado. Add the chopped green apple and cucumber. Pour in the almond milk. Add the flax seeds and spirulina powder. Squeeze in the lemon juice. Blend until smooth and creamy. Serve immediately and enjoy the green goodness. This green smoothie is a nutritional juggernaut. Spinach is loaded with vitamins K, A, and C, as well as iron and calcium. Avocado adds healthy fats, making this smoothie creamy and satisfying. Green apples provide fiber and vitamin C, while cucumbers offer hydration and additional vitamins. Almond milk keeps the smoothie light and dairy-free. Flax seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Spirulina, though optional, is a nutrient-dense algae packed with protein, B vitamins, and antioxidants. This smoothie is perfect for those looking to boost their energy while staying green and healthy. Now let's dive into the Berry Blast Smoothie. For this vibrant treat, you'll need 1 cup of mixed berries, including blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Next, add half a cup of plain yogurt and half a cup of orange juice. Don't forget to toss in half a cup of spinach for that extra nutrient kick. Sweeten things up with a tablespoon of honey and a sprinkle of hemp seeds. Once everything's in the blender, blend until smooth. Pour it into a glass and enjoy the explosion of berry flavors. Berries pack a punch with antioxidants, which help combat free radicals and reduce inflammation. They're also rich in fiber, which promotes digestive health. The plain yogurt adds a dose of protein and probiotics, essential for a healthy gut. Orange juice boosts your immune system with vitamin C, while spinach ensures you're getting your greens without overpowering the berry flavor. Honey is not just a natural sweetener. It also has antibacterial properties. Hemp seeds round out this smoothie with protein, omega-3s, and essential amino acids, perfect for an energizing breakfast or a refreshing midday snack. Moving on to the Peanut Butter Banana Smoothie. Start with 1 banana, then add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and half a cup of Greek yogurt. Pour in 1 cup of almond milk or any milk of your choice. Next, add a tablespoon of chia seeds. If you like, drizzle in a teaspoon of honey for a touch of sweetness and sprinkle half a teaspoon of cinnamon for some spice. Blend everything until it's smooth and creamy. This smoothie is a creamy, nutty delight. Bananas provide potassium and quick energy, while peanut butter offers healthy fats and protein to keep you full and satisfied. The Greek yogurt adds a creamy texture and a good dose of protein. Almond milk keeps the smoothie dairy-free, but feel free to use any milk you prefer. Chia seeds bring fiber, omega-3s, and antioxidants. Honey, if you choose to add it, offers natural sweetness, and cinnamon not only enhances the flavor but also boasts anti-inflammatory properties. This smoothie is ideal as a post-workout recovery drink or a protein-packed start to your day. In conclusion, incorporating these smoothies into your daily routine can help ensure you're getting a variety of nutrients in a convenient and delicious way. Each recipe is designed to be easy to make, requiring only a few minutes of preparation. Whether you crave something fruity, green, berry-filled, or nutty, these smoothies offer something for everyone. They are not only tasty but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients to help keep your energy levels high and your body healthy. So why not grab your blender and start creating these energizing smoothies today?